Colligative properties comparison with the different electrolytes by taking same concentrations. 0.1 molar urea, 0.1 molar KCl, 0.1 molar Na2SO4, 0.1 molar K4FeCN taken 6. So I am naming them as A, B, C, D solutions. Compare order of relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point delta TB, depression in freezing point delta TF, osmotic pressure pi, and boiling point vapor pressure followed by freezing point of the solution. Now what are colligative properties? Colligative properties which are directly depend upon number of particles but not on nature of particles. These four are colligative properties. Colligative properties. All will have same order. Relative lowering of a pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, osmotic pressure. But that depends upon number of particles. Means here urea non-electrolyte, no ions are coming there. But here KCl, 2 particles will come, n is equal to 2. So 100% dissociation means I will be equal to n if 100% dissociation is there. So here 100% dissociation case I will be 3, 2 Na plus and 1 sulfate ion, 3 ions. Here 100% dissociation means I will be equal to n, which is nothing but 4 K plus ions and 1 complex anion, total 5. Then colligative property directly proportional to resultant molarity. Resultant molarity is nothing but I into m. Then what is I into m here? So if it is non-electrolyte, I value will be 1. Then here answer is 0.1 molar only final concentration of the particles. But here 2 into 0.1, that is 0.2 molar. Here resultant molarity 0.1 into 3, 0.3 molar. Similarly here 0.5 molar. Then being all these are colligative properties directly depends upon resultant molarity I into m. So the answer is A less than, B less than, C less than D. D is having highest colligative properties. All these. A is having least colligative properties. Then what about TB? TB is directly proportional to delta TB. TB is directly proportional to delta TB. Why? Because elevation increased means increment, so boiling point also increased. So being delta TB is proportional to TB, so you can get the relation same as colligative properties. Same as colligative properties. So this is also A gives rise to A is less than, B less than, C less than T. But vapor pressure and relative lowering of vapor pressure, they are inversely proportional, 1 by RL Vp. Because this is decrement, this is regarding decrement. Wherever decrement is there, that will be reversed to the properties. Vapor pressure inversely proportional to RL Vp. Similarly, TF also, depression in freezing point. So lowering in vapor pressure, this is decrement. Depression in freezing point, this is also decrement, decreasing case. So TF also inversely proportional to delta TF. TF also inversely proportional to delta TF. Wherever decrease or lowering there, inversely proportional to colligative property. Elevation is there, boiling point directly proportional to delta TB. So being these two are reversed to the colligative property, then answer is, in these two cases, A greater than, B greater than, C greater than D. So with this, you can answer maximum number of colligative property theoretical questions. All the theoretical questions mostly you can answer with this concept.